So we're going now to Lake Iseo for a walk, for a coffee. But before anything else, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So are you excited? Let's go! So we are having a short tour in Fabio's garden. Yeah, here they have and then they have this little friend, the turtle. Oh my God, there's one hiding.
Yeah, one.
Hello, hello there, a turtle. And one inside?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then my dad is growing all the.
Oh. Oh, there's some tomatoes. Wow.
All the lettuce.
Oh, I love that. Oh my
Yeah.
goodness.
Tomatoes.
Yes, tomatoes.
And then he planted a lot of lettuce around here just for the turtle.
We're now on our way to Lake Iseo for 45 minutes. It's summer here, so hot. So guys, finally we're here at Lake Iseo. Look at that, it's so pretty. It's beautiful. Hi Pa! Finally we're here at Lake Iseo. Look at that, so pretty.
Char.
The lake is so beautiful. Hi guys, it's gelato time. Look at that. So I'm having the Oreo and the pistachio. What is that?
Kiwi and I don't know the other one.
This place is beautiful, Lake Iseo. So this is the other side, the other end of the Lake Iseo. I think it's about time to have coffee. Espresso. Hey guys, it's time for Creama de Cafe. Look at that. Smoothie. Real fruit. Creama de Cafe. This is good. So guys, we cross the bridge and then so we are now on the other side. This place is amazing. So yeah, after having gelato, the smoothie, and the Creama cafe, so we're here on the other side because Fabio is doing his yoga. So Fabio is doing his yoga session.
Si Mama Kwatan nag-Italy para magluto lang ng
Pansit at adobo!
pansit at adobo.
Guys, uwi na kami bukas to Canada. Ay, nagluto ako na good for 1 month supply ni Yani and Fabio. Pansit at saka adobo.
Adobo.
And then later for the spring roll.
Hello, wow. Hello, wow.
Hello, wow. Ayan guys, mixing time for our pancit bihon. So I'm cooking pancit for Yani and Fabio for their food supply. And then also the adobo, the favorite adobo. Yan. Okay guys, the tasting time. Speechless. Speechless. It's good? Not salty? Just enough?
It's perfection.
Okay. Ayan guys, nagawa tayo ng lumpia Shanghai para for supply, food supply ni Yani and Fabio. Ayan, napunta lang sa Italy from Canada para gumawa ng lumpia. Aba, wow!
Bye-bye, Mickey. No.
Don't pala yun.
Oh my God. We have barbecue.
Gusto man dyan.